Hi YouTube, so today we're gonna play Sliver.io. So I'm gonna make my name Big Mac, lol. Big Mac. So I'm a Big Mac now, lol. I ate Big Macs. Look, let's try to kill this guy. Bleh. I get too big. I don't have that much energy, so let's gain energy. The lag is real right now, but now, yeah. So the lag is real. We're big enough now. I think we're we're oh my god, the lag. Oh my god. Okay. Let's name ourselves Big Ben. Okay, so oh my god. Let's cut him off. Oh shit. Where you think you're going, Bear? Oh my god. The lag. Don't even know why. When I put my oh, that was so close. Big Mac, Big Ben. Oh my god, I hate this guy. Okay, let's call ourselves Big Sis. Oh my god, no, that had skip. Okay. That was my sister, you heard. She's like so annoying. She wants to be in my vids, lol. Cut this guy off, come. I swear to god. Oh my god, the lag. This guy keeps on. Oh my god. Oh my god, the problem is the lag, man. Like, the lag is real, man. Like, yeah. The lag is so real. Let's call ourselves YOLO. YOLO or something like that. I'm gonna make the title silly names or something. Sliver.io silly names. I don't know. I don't know, actually. I actually don't know. So, yeah. Oh my god, no. Flop you, man. Fuck you, man. Oh. I'm rolling. I'm rolling. I'm big guy now. Oi. What you? No. No lag, please. Ha. Got caught off. Alright. Oh my god, I drew. Oh my god. As you can see, I suck in this game, YouTube. Bye, YouTube. By the way, if you watch my videos and you support them, I highly recommend it. So, bye, YouTube.